we have 50, no? Oh, we have
50. Okay.
Do you want to do something to match something?
Oh,
Do you
that's
wanna do-
cute. All right.
I think there's like cute stuff like this.
Which one do you want? Like this? Oh, this is cute. That's cute.
You want to try the right bear?
How is it? You try it.
Okay.
Oh, 귀엽다. Mixie. Let's get it.
You want to get this?
Yeah.
아, 네. 네. 아, 찍어도 돼요. 찍어도 돼요? 네.
I can take your pictures if you want. I can take your pictures. Go. 하나, 둘, 셋. Alright, 감사합니다. Oh, you're famous.
No, I'm not.
Sure.
이거 2개 결제해주세요.
Yep. You wanna do photo booth?
Photo booth?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do
With
that.
this.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is cute.
Oh, here?
How much is it?
Yeah, it's 4,001.
Okay. We'll take two. One for you, one
Yeah,
for me.
it gives 2 is 4,000.
Oh,
1
okay.
plus 1 is 4,000. Let's do the basic one. Are you ready? Yeah.
Oh,
We can do filters too.
I will stand here so I will look taller.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
That's cute.
I love it.
Saan mo masaya dito na ano?
Hindi ko alam eh. Ikaw nag-hongday ka ba? Actually, first time ko talagang umikot ng ganito eh.
Parang kapag nag-hongday ako, kasama ko lang din kayo.
It's not my vibe.
Yeah. It's so young.
It's not our vibe. It's so young in Hongday.
Ayun yung gusto ko.
Ay, yan yung gusto ko rin. Tara, wait.
Egg bread.
Annyeonghaseyo. Two.
Sarap. Ang init pa.
Bagong luto. Thank you,
Yan.
thank you.
Yay.
Alright! Gonbe! Parang mainit.
Oh. Mainit pa talaga dahil... Ayun, no, nakikita niyo po. Parang wala sa challenge natin ngayon na kumain.
Wala,
ng
wala,
very
wala.
hot.
Oh, wow!
Sarap.
So sabi nila, bumili daw kami ng couple items. Eto, twinning
Diba?
pa nga, oh.
Training, oh.
Oh, Gonbe ulit.
Oh, Gonbe.
Gonbe. So hanap tayo ng drinks para sa kanya.
At kape para sa'yo.
Okay, tama.
Ayoko yan.
Oh, gloves
Ah,
daw.
so cheap.
Ano?
So cheap daw.
So cheap. Oh, gloves. Gusto mo gloves? Matchy-matchy gloves tayo?
Hanap ka ng ano? White din, gusto mo?
Oh, pareho tayo syempre. Gusto mo, matchy tayo eh.
Oh, para madali yung kulay. Ay, cute!
Oh, buta siya. Okay lang.
Gusto mo?
Oh, what? Kung ano ang gusto mo eh. Okay ako. Ay no, matchy sa ano mo. Furry. Okay. So ito na ang aming matchy-matchy gloves.
Yee! Ready to fight?
Ah.
Uy, gusto ko yung tulip!
Pwede pa yung pera?
Gusto ko yung tulip!
Favorite mo yan?
Favorite flower ko yung tulip! Hindi ko alam kung afford pa namin bumili ng flowers kasi ginastos ko na eh. Ay!
Hi.
Uy! Akin yan! Thank you!
Happy ka?
Hey, sobra, sobra.
Happy disappear.
Gusto ko bumili ng flowers eh, di ba? Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Yay! May malalagay na ako sa room. Thank you! Malalagay na ako sa room.